Welcome to our comparison of two popular Nugget Ice Makers, the EASYERA and the ecozy. Both of these machines promise to deliver soft, chewable nugget ice, perfect for your drinks. In this video, we will dive into their features and specifications to see how they stack up against each other. When it comes to pricing, the EASYERA Nugget Ice Maker is priced at $299.99, making it the more expensive option. In contrast, the ecozy Nugget Ice Maker is available for $209.99, offering a more budget-friendly choice for consumers. This price difference could be a significant factor for those looking to save money while still enjoying nugget ice. In terms of ice storage, the EASYERA model requires you to transfer the ice to a freezer after production, which can be inconvenient. On the other hand, the ecozy model includes ice bags, making it easier to store and transport your ice. This feature can enhance the overall user experience, especially for parties or gatherings. Lastly, let's talk about portability. The EASYERA Nugget Ice Maker does not come with a handle, which may limit its ease of movement. In contrast, the ecozy Nugget Ice Maker features a convenient handle, allowing you to easily transport it to different locations, whether it's for a kitchen, bar, or outdoor event. This added feature makes the ecozy a more versatile option. In conclusion, both the EASYERA and ecozy Nugget Ice Makers have their strengths and weaknesses. The ecozy offers a more affordable price, convenient ice storage, and portability, making it a compelling choice for many consumers. We hope this comparison has helped you in your decision-making process. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.